there are many very good things happening across all the countries, and we are missing a lot from sharing. We are not able to meet, otherwise we are the normal sharing which used to happen, that is not happening. So we thought of at least having to create some space for each of us to go to each other's place and see what we are doing together, same or different or in different ways, so that we get some kind of learning. So in terms of goal, we want to establish a platform for community level interaction and cross learning at times when we cannot travel. So a few objectives what we thought would fit best in this for this initiative is to connect with community, and what we expect is that a better awareness and understanding of the field level initiatives in Bangladesh, identify good ideas and models for promotion and replication, create community connectivity for the team members from other countries.
So I'm really happy for this day. I'm very excited. I never had the chance to go to Bangladesh, so I'm very excited to see how the project is going in Bangladesh, to see what you are doing for the farmers.
I'll really appreciate the Bangladesh team for putting this thing together.
Yes, Sunil bhai, thank you, and this is good afternoon to everyone. I am Jilur Rahman, the National Coordinator of Sabbin Project, Caritas Bangladesh. So before starting, I'll share some information of our Sabbin Bangladesh. We are working in 3 sub-districts. One is Paba and Tanor. It is under one district, that is Rajshahi. And another sub-district, we are working in Boraigram. It is under another district, that is the Natur district. So 3 sub-districts and under 2 districts, this is our working area. Under this small farming size, there are 524 households are under this criteria. So at first, according to our showcase 1, we would like to request our POBA staff. There are 3 activities. The number 1 is Miss Rosina Begum. He is involved with duck farming and the vegetables. So say for Mrs. Rosina Begum, 36, and her husband, Mr. Diganto, is a small farmer couple. They live in Kornohar village of Poba sub-district of Rajshahi district. And now I request our VRP, Mr. Uttam Barwar. Uttam.
I am Uttam Barwar, village resource person, Poba Rajshahi.
Please show the activity.
এই মুহূর্তে আমি অবস্থান করছি গ্রামে, কর্ণহার গ্রামে। আমি কথা বলেন না, এই মুহূর্তে আমি অবস্থান করছি এখন কর্ণহার গ্রামে রোজিনা বেগমের বাড়িতে। আমি লাইভ স্টক পার্টে ছাগল, মুরগি, হাঁস এবং ভেড়া, এই কয়েকটি জিনিস আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো। তার আগে আমি রোজিনা বেগমের সাথে একটু পরিচয় করিয়ে দিতে চাই। রোজিনা বেগম
ফার্মার।
আমার নাম রোজিনা বেগম। আমি
This is the poultry.
So this is a house. This is a household unit where we have different diversified enterprises. So you can see the goats, you can see ducklings, you can see the duckery and poultry, and also this is the household, and you can also see are the family members,
SHFC members.
SHFC members. So we can all say namaste, assalamu alaikum. Okay, so
no, Sunil bhai, just there is
so,
a garden also, homestead garden also.
So this is a nutrition garden which they have, and all under an enclosure. It is
palong. This is cauliflower and eggplant.
So you can see that a particular portion of the household next to the house is dedicated for cultivating vegetable, and they are growing different type of vegetables in this garden only for the nutrition part. So wherever they have space, they have tried to put these things, and So
And these farmer already linked with the livestock department of government. So this is the actually more things. And the in the vegetable garden we adopted the two technology, one for bed, another one for peat. Peat for gourd families and the bed for the vegetables, palong shak like this, cabbage, cauliflower like this. So here we followed only very few technologies, as well as to decrease the control the disease and pest. We use the solutions, say for the Amrit Pani, Gunabam like this. They used. They are there. The goats are local variety. The neighbor people, they also join here.
okay, so this is given to the group or
Yeah.
okay, okay.
Given to the group and project also.
This is a mechanism Bangladesh team is using, that they are supplying these things as a to the SHFC.
In this village, we have only 48 farmers from his village, and the Rosina's good practice. They are already started. The next activity, this is the value chain. Already you have seen our value chain activities, and that is Kumraburi production. Kumraburi production, as well as other farmer Morjina Begum. She is from the Sharmongla village. Morjina received 3 days long training on value chain and micro entrepreneurship from Sabbin project. She also received Taka 6,980 cash support from the project. Linked her to the local market and Sabbin outlet where she can sell her produce at a fair price. We hope this activity helps to achieve the outcome too. So I request Shamim.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shamim Reza, Sabbin Prokolpo BRP, Pobar Rajshahi, Bangladesh.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমার নাম মুসাম্মদ মর্জিনা বেগম, আমি একজন প্রত্যাশা দলের সদস্য। আপনাদেরকে আজকে আমি বড়ি দেখাবো।
মর্জিনা আপার সবজির প্লট, আমরা এখন অবস্থান করছি মর্জিনা আপার বাড়ি এখানে মধ্যখানে একটি মর্জিনা আপার বাড়ি মর্জিনা।
So this is the Morjina's house, and nearby house there is a very small species of land where she cultivated crops. There are so many vegetable items. Say for the tomato, you'll see the tomato, cabbage, cauliflower, and most of the vegetables are harvested. Only the tomato is there. There are so many type of fruit sapling, lychee, guava, and the brinjal also, and the carrot also. So this is the one part of her homestead. Shami, go for other side. Uno pashe jan.
Okay. Also, just to explain that this is near the house. Their field is away from this place, so they will have a where they grow other things.
আমরা এখন যে
He produced he don't use the chemical fertilizer in his the vegetable and vegetable plots. She prepared the organic solutions, and as well as she also used them in her vegetable garden, as well as the fruit sapling also. Different kinds of fruit species are here. And this is the in front of Morjina's house, and here also he practiced some local type of vegetable, nutritious vegetable also. In the palong shak, the bottle gourd,
Spinach.
the area of the household, there are some eggplants also he planted.
আমরা যে কুমড়া বড়ি দেখানোর জন্য এখানে মর্জিনা আপার কুমড়া বড়ি তার সহযোগিতার জন্য তার কিছু সহযোগীকে দেখেছেন। এখানে আমাদের তৈরি যে মোটামুটি পদ্ধতি যেভাবে কুমড়াটা যে
This is actually the production technology Kumra Bori. The raw material Kumra Bori, it is need for the ash guard as well as the black gram. And Mrs. Morjina now she is preparing the Kumra Bori. This is very raw materials, and the right side of Morjina Begum, he already this is for on the sunlight for drying.
Yes, this is live from Bangladesh. The entire process you can see people engaged in different processes, and also
And
different
this is already
stages.
prepared. This is already prepared, and the University of Rajshahi, Morjina Begum, she is linked some professor with the University of Rajshahi. The car will come to Morjina's house, and he sold directly them. Say for the ash guard. This is the main raw material of Kumrabori, the ash guard. Please go inside. And this is the poultry shed of Morjina Begum. He established this poultry shed or the own, no support from the project. He earned so many money and he established this poultry shed.
Very nice.
This is only one farmer. They are doing all these things together.
Can I ask here a question? This is all the production only from this woman farmer? Like
all you have seen, all these things are maintained by Rosina Begum and her husband. Only one farmer is involved with all these things. And another and the backside of Morjina's house, there is a small hole, and the water comes from her tube well, and all water stacked here, and he released some catfish in this the hole. And in the light, she set a bulb, and insect comes from here and drop to the water, and fish catches it. So this is all of Morjina Begum.
This is upcycling, huh? This is using water second time after you use there. So use for two more purposes, for fish as well as for duckling, for the ducks to come and swim. It's good.
So I request Taibur, with the another one farmer, he established a big earth-on compost. Please see. He is the farmer of Sabbin first phase, and still and that phase we established a shed by the project. It is big shed. Every 3 months he collected 5 ton earth-on compost from this shed. He is continue this one. Amazing. Yes. Good.
Thank you very much for all the team members, especially our farmers and our VRPs who really do the work in the field. So we really salute you for all the work you have been doing despite of all this pandemic situation. And before we end, let's put on all our videos. Let's see all are there.
Sobi tulbe.